What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? This is Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. You're the best. You are the best. You are the best, you guys. I love you so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Garden of Skinny Boy Randy. Click like and subscribe. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle if you can. And click the bell. You'll get a notification every time I make a video. I'm going to make this short and sweet, you guys. Today, we're going to do corn. How about that? Okay. We're going to do some corn. So, I'm going to put the video up here, and we're just going to get to work. Now, what I've done, I cleaned this bed out, and I put a little bit of Dollar Tree soil, a little bit of Garden Expert $2.50 soil from Walmart or Rose's store, whatever store you have, the department store. Just go ahead and get you some bags of soil and put them right down in the ground, okay? Okay? I love you guys. And we're going to just jump right into the video. I took some seeds, and I soaked them in this container while I was at work today. Yeah, had to work today too. Happy Sunday, you guys. I love you. Hope you're being safe, washing your hands, keeping your hands away from your face. Staying virus free, you guys. I love you. And I just soaked some of these so they can get a little moisture and they won't take as long to germinate. And I'm going to jump right into this. All I do, y'all, I like to get y'all right down in the ground with me. So let me put the camera like right here. And hopefully you'll catch everything. Okay, there we go. I can put my hand in there and I can see. I changed my garden around a little bit, you guys. You know, I put bricks around everything. My neighbor gave me all these wonderful bricks, and I have them all over. I made some new beds over there. And yeah, you just take what you have and you make it work. You know, it doesn't cost a lot of money, you guys. You know, it's not rocket science. Do what you do. Gardening is something that human beings started doing, but you know, the Lord was doing it already. These things that we're planting, they grow in nature. They grow by themselves. You don't have to space everything perfectly. You don't have to, you know, worry about, oh, if these too close together. They grow like that in the wild, right? Okay. Some people like pretty garden. I don't do pretty garden. I do productive gardening. And if I plant too many in one space or something, okay, they grow like that in the wild, right? I mean, that's what I thought. When the plant seeds fall off, they just fall into the ground and they start all over again. Okay, so, you know, do what you like to do, you guys. I love you. You're the best, and I know you can't see me. And I'm just going to use what I always told you, like a little mop pole, whatever you have. Just a little mop pole. And I'm going to do, can you see me over here? Right here? I'm just going to use this twisted end right here and go down. One, and you probably wonder what he got the strings and the poles up for. See, mind your business, because I got some other stuff planned for you guys. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You guys, like I told you, just do it. You don't have to be pretty. I just made 9 holes for my corn all the way across. Get your corn seeds. You guys. Put them in your hand. And then, since you made the holes, you just go through, pop through. Push down. Because they need to be at least 1 inch, you guys. That's why I use the pole. They need to be at least 1 inch. Cover them up. You don't want them too close to the top because the roots will start forming on top. You're going to get some roots that form on top anyway, but you want to put these at least 2 lines on your finger down, you know? Yeah, that's how you do that. And if you go back and look at my videos, you see I've had harvest of corn. Stick it down in there. I see some other things that I planted in here coming up. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Those that have been following along with Skinny Boy Randy, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah. We got some multi-planting going on. So that's all you do, you guys. And I just did 2 rows of corn. just smooth it out. You know, it doesn't have to be pretty or anything. Throw some more, yeah. And I have to go all the way over there and do the other half. Okay, but I just wanted to show you how simple and easy it is just to plant corn, you guys. I love you. You're the best. Now, I also have some beans down here already, and a couple of squash. Yeah. Remember the three sister planting? Here we go. So we've already planted this row here with corn, zucchini, and squash. Some of the beans are starting to come up. The corn will catch up eventually because we're having some great weather. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh. Grow stuff and eat it, you guys. Stay safe. Be blessed. I love you. You're the best.